ogwo kubangura eminyeto na no kubateraho emihanda iyo kubasa kutunguka ombyanga byabo. Professor Mwiine Charles okurwa mu itendekero Elia Makerere ashabire eminyeto okwegita bakareba ngo bayiteraho ebigombe ebibararabemu okutunga obuyambi.
Ebi yabigamba obu yabaye bembire omushomo ahari Innovation Center muri Mbarara ogwaba gugenderire kushomesa bebembezi b'eminyeto hamwe nabo abari kwekozesa omuri burengyerwa eizooba.
Together they can control the quality. I told them they can't get along when they're by themselves. They need to be together so that they can have a same say. Even when you go to the bank, when you are a platform, people understand. And also when it comes to procurement of equipment, you can collect money from the innovation platform and you buy an equipment which you can share because you are working together.
Mwiine Charles yashaye eminyeto kwego kupakinga ebintu byabo habo kubeki nicyo kirabaretera obutare bwebye bibara kukora.
It's to learn how to use people who are skilled in whatever they are doing. Also they have to look at the side of packaging so that the packaging keeps their product for longer life. They can't reach a market unless the package is very, very important tool for reaching the market.
Kuchondoza nikworeka ngo haba hatabireho okubanza wachondoza ebiri Omukatare emiringo y'ebintu ebyo kwetenga na munonga abarkwenda kuhangaho obusya kandi no kureka kuteganisa abazire.
We keep learning to be able to get the knowledge, the skills and the experience, the mentorship they need to be able to run their businesses successfully, to build their businesses.
Mwiine kutari kujangu no saba muzire kuba muzire yakusomisa nikista kwetagisa kujanga kandi omutegamisho no asa kwetandikira nkiyo.
Eminyeto eyejumbira mu kushomoku yashoborera ebirungi ebiri mu kushoma by'umukono kandi no kubira kuyamba eminyeto ku rugo mboro.
Nimba encouraging abantu bona kubasa kufuna time because it is time consuming. So one obasa kubona time eyo kwijoka bikora mazima, it is a very good business. Mwije mujoininge mwije mwege learn a skill.
We need to produce knowing at least we are producing for ourselves. You may not eat, but I doubt that. Because when you give your children to eat, unless you're saying, I'm going to mold this one like this, then for my children I mold separately.
Omushomo ogu gwayitaba mu eminyeto okurenga 200 okurwa mu district eziri Mbarara, Kazo, Ibanda, Kiruhura, Bushenyi, Ntungamo hamwe n'ezindi. Ndi Job Kato wa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Mbarara.
Okuruga omuri bitoma SDA